did. I bought a bunch of nail supplies. This thing is full. Oh! Oh, I gotta hit the gym. I decided I want to start doing my own nails. Oh my goodness, look what I did. What did I do? Hopefully this works out. I'm not sure if you guys notice. I hope you do, because I keep my nails really, really nice and done for you guys. So you'll notice like every week, or not every week, every couple of videos, you'll see I have a new fresh set of nails. They're always looking nice. They are acrylic with gel color. Here is my current set. I've had them on for exactly 2 weeks now. I have a very, very, very talented nail tech. I love, love, love my nail tech, but I decided I wanted to start doing my own nails. Of course, one of the reasons I wanted to do my own nails is because it is so incredibly expensive. However, my nail tech, even though she is incredibly talented, does not like overcharge. I think her prices without before tip for an acrylic refill or full set with design is between like $55 and $80, which is like unheard of for this talent. So yeah, of course, it's still money though that I don't really want to be spending, especially since I used to love doing nail art when I was a kid, and I think that I would be really good at it. So I bought a lot of stuff that I will link down below. Oh no, I forgot I had makeup on my eye. Oh no, oh no, oh no, hold on. Okay, I'm back, but my eye is still itchy. So I decided to get a gel extension system. So I decided to do Gel X. So we're gonna try Gel X for the first time. I hear it's the easiest, and that's what I want to do. I got a ton of crap, literally everything you could possibly need. I could literally be a professional nail tech with all this equipment, so this better freaking work out, because my plan is to do my nails forever from now on. I spent a lot of money, I can't turn back now. Anyways, I do want to give credit where credit is due. I watched a bunch of different Gel X extension videos and nail prep and nail drill videos. I watched a few things to see what items to get, but mostly I really trusted Kaylee Boyle. I think that's her name. She's here on YouTube. She does Gel X, or she does nail videos and Gel X nail videos. I basically got the products, most of the products that she recommended. I got some products that other people recommended, so we'll see. Anyways, let's do it. Let's get into it. Okay. I got this drill. I don't really like the tips that came with it though. I was doing research, and a lot of people like a safety bit to remove the polish, and I don't think I have that. So I guess I need to use a sanding band. I don't know what grit this is. I didn't realize there were multiple grits until I watched some other videos, but it looks like it comes with some coarse grit and some, I don't know if this is fine or medium. Either way, I'm scared of the coarse, so I think I'll just use the medium to get rid of this stuff. Okay, here goes nothing. Once I start this, I cannot go back. Oh my God. Okay, no going back now. Oh wait, what am I doing? I forgot I had a dust collector. How cute is my little pink dust collector? Ah, it just collects the little dust shavings that you create when you're using the drill from the acrylic, but I definitely need to get a safety bit or a different type of sanding band situation, because it took me literally 45 minutes to file off all of the gel polish. It was not efficient with what I was using. Okay, more issues I'm running into. I think I need cotton balls. All I have are cotton rounds. And then do you guys know if I need 100% acetone? I don't know if this is. I don't think it is, because there are other ingredients in here, so that would not be 100%, but I'm using nail polish remover. So is this not what I'm supposed to do, guys? I feel like I should have clipped off the excess acrylic. Wait, maybe I should do my bad hand first. Yeah. Let me do. When I go to the salon, I keep it in for like, what, 10-15 minutes? But I feel like for me, since I didn't file a ton off, like I feel like I just filed the nail polish off, and I feel like they like get a lot of the acrylic off. Oh my God, that was way too much acetone. I feel like I'm gonna need to wait longer, so I'm gonna wait like 45 minutes, I think. Okay, well, this is where we're at right now in the removal process. Yeah, I definitely did not file enough off because I was frightened. But then I also didn't have 100% acetone remover, so I also didn't have cotton balls. I was not thinking about the removal process, so I got cotton balls. I got this little kit with this like cuticle pusher thing, because I realized I also didn't have that. It was hard to like scrape off. And then I got 100% acetone. So let's try this again. Okay. So the second time around, it did end up working. Also, I am the Hot Mess Express right now. It does get better once I start painting my nails, but I wasn't sure if I actually removed all of the acrylic because my fingernails were kind of textured, so either I didn't remove all the acrylic or I ruined my nails, but my nails were already pretty ruined. Anyways, so I'm just adding a dehydrator first and then a primer so that the gel extensions are gonna stick. I just added a thin coat all over my nails for both of these, so hopefully that's what you are supposed to do. And then I also added the base gel coat, so the Gel X like gel. It says nail glue, it's not nail glue, it's gel. It cures. It's by Beetles, and then I just put a thin coat on all of my nails and then cured it in the lamp. Here's the issue though, I forgot to size my nails before doing all this work to them. I should have sized the gel extensions when my nails were bare, so that was an issue, although it ended up turning out okay. So I just put my little base coat on, cured it for 60 seconds, and then it was time to add the gel extensions. Okay, I'm already struggling. So this one, the first one I did, has glue popping out of it. There's too much glue, and I feel like then this one didn't have enough glue because I think this is an air bubble right there. Can you see that? Is that an air bubble? All right, so we'll just try it again. You win some, you lose some, you guys. So this is how you put the gel extension on. I'm taking that same like base gel glue situation. I'm putting a little coat on the back of the gel extension tip, just where it would be on my nail. And then you have to figure out how much gel is required just by like trial and error. And then you just place it on.
That was perfect!
And hope for the best,
no, it was not perfect.
basically.
There's an air bubble
And then you
at the
flash
bottom,
cure
and
for
then
like
there's
10
too much glue at the
seconds.
top,
But there it
so-
is, all cured up.
Again.
And then after you do all of your nails,
Struggling.
you're going to place it in your UV lamp for 60 seconds. But this was pretty challenging for my non-dominant hand. My dominant hand looked pretty good, but the non-dominant hand was a struggle. I do think this is something I will get pretty quickly though. Yay! Then I just tried to sand off the little glue bits that popped out when I put too much glue under the gel extension. So I just tried to sand that off. That was definitely a struggle. You should just clean it up before you cure it. And then I just buffed my nails to make sure that the actual gel would adhere better. And also, spoiler alert, I've had these on for like 2 weeks now and none of them have popped off. So that is awesome. Then I just added a base gel coat to all of my nails just to get it ready for the polish. I'm using my favorite base color, Love is in the Bear by OPI, and I'm gonna end up using 3 coats of this where I'm adding that. So I'm doing my ring finger, my middle finger, and then my thumb because I'm gonna end up doing a French tip for all of those. And then on my pointer finger and my pinky finger, I'm just going to use a white gel polish by Beetles, and I'm using only 2 coats of this one. Wherever I make a mistake, I've learned now to just clean it up with acetone before I cure it because that ends up being so much easier. Now for the French tip, I'm just using, I think this is it called a striper brush? I'm not really sure. It's a nail art brush. I'm creating a horizontal line where I want my French tip to end, and then I'm creating 2 lines on the side that meet at the nail tip in the middle, and then just smoothing it out and then filling it in with the actual gel polish brush. And look at that! 1 coat, how cute is that? And then I ended up doing 2 coats for all the French tips. Then I added rhinestones, which was the easiest part. I'm just using a nail dotting tool to add the glue, my Beetles glue, wherever, and then using a wax like rhinestone grabber to grab my rhinestones and place those where I want them to be. And you can kind of move them around too before you cure them. After I place all my rhinestones in, I'm going to cure it. And then look at that! And then finally it's time for the top coat. I learned this trick from my nail tech when I watched her always put rhinestones on my hands. So first you want to really like saturate those rhinestones and make sure you really get all around in all the crevices where the rhinestones hit your nails before adding a full coat of top coat on your nail. And then also cap off the nail at the tip so it doesn't chip. And then this will just keep those rhinestones from popping off. Again, I've had them on for 2 weeks and nothing has popped off. They look amazing. After that, it was time to do my non-dominant hand, well, my dominant hand, but with my non-dominant hand. And look at this mess, oh my gosh. Ready? Wait, they look so good. This is the good hand because this is my dominant hand. And this is the bad hand. I would say the only thing wrong with the bad hand is there's like some hair in this one, which you can't even see. They're literally perfect. This nail looks like it's growing out of my hand. I will never be going back to the nail salon. Oh my gosh. Because yeah, I spent $400 on all of this stuff, but that's like 4 nail appointments to get something like this done. And this is gonna last me a heck of a long time. And I can clearly do it. This is just a very easy design, so let me know what you think I should do next because I'm scared to like branch out because this was hard for me, but turned out, I would say perfect. Dare I say perfect. Anyways, I think that is everything. Oh, I'll have all the stuff linked down below, so if you want to check out any of the stuff that I used today, go check it out. So far liked everything I used, so. I can't speak on anything's longevity, but for today, it was good. Anyways, if you like this video, feel free to give me a thumbs up. It's the easiest way to support your favorite creators for free. Also, feel free to follow me on Instagram and TikTok. My handle is Kiana Bonollo. Subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!